guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am filming my Go To Glam Night Out makeup. This is obviously the final product and the end result of the whole video. So if you want to see how I got this makeup look that you would have seen on my Instagram so many times, then please keep on watching. Please subscribe down below if you're new here and hit the like button if you want to see more videos like this. And let's jump on into the video. So as you can see, I have already done my eyebrows off of camera. I do have a updated eyebrow routine on my channel if you want to go and check that out. I will link it up here in the eye, so click on there and you can go and watch that. So yeah, let's get started. When I go on a night out or do this glam makeup, I do it in a different order to the way that I usually do it. So the first thing that I would usually do is prime my skin. So at the moment I have been using this Milk primer. It is amazing. So it's the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I honestly could not recommend this enough. So yeah, I'm gonna use this. I literally just use one squirt and then prep my skin with this. It is so nice. So now I'm going to take the MAC Soft Ochre paint pot and prep my eyes. I usually, when I go out and do this glam makeup, I do my makeup in a different order. So yeah, I usually do my skin first if I'm not wearing any eyeshadow, stuff like that. But when I wear eyeshadow, I do my eyes first. Well, like if I'm doing my makeup properly for a night out. So I prep it with this. Oh, and by the way, please excuse my nail. It fell off and I'm only a week into quarantine. I've had these nails on for 4 weeks now, I think, already, and one fell off and I can't get my nails done for about another at least 2 weeks. I know I look like a mess right now, but afterwards hopefully I should look a little bit better. I have been using this eyeshadow palette. It is just from Beauty Bay. It is £6.50 and honestly it is so good. They have lots of different other like colours as well, but this one is just kind of like colours that I usually use, so just neutral browns and then oranges. But basically I just take this Morphe M454 brush and I just use this colour here at the top, which is called Cinnamon Bun, and I quite literally just put this on my eyelid everywhere basically. Please excuse what's going on right now. I've been quite lazy with it for the last week and I'm on my period, so I think that my skin has taken a toll from that. So now it's all over my eyelids and I just always like to take a little bit of extra time blending out the edges. Please also excuse my eyebrows. As you can see, they're very overgrown, but obviously post-quarantine lockdown, I think all of us girls are waiting. Well, I am anyway. I know a lot of other people that are as well, are waiting to get their eyelashes, eyebrows, hair, nails, tan, everything done, and there's going to be a proper post glow up. I'm going to have to book in to get everything done all at the same time, and hopefully I should look better than I do now, because tell you now, I hadn't washed my hair. Today I washed my hair for the first time in not a week. I'd say in about 4 or 5 days, which is usually what I do, but my hair, for some reason, was so greasy yet this morning. So I washed my hair and I feel a lot better for it because now my hair is quite fresh, and I also straightened it for this video, obviously, and I feel so much better. And I haven't worn makeup in a while, so I might actually keep this makeup on for a few hours after I've finished. Okay, and then what I use next is the Liquid Crystal Eyeshadow by Beauty Bay as well. This one is in the shade Tiger Eyes, and I cannot explain to you this. When I first used this, I was like, oh my god, this is my favourite product ever. These things are just so quick and easy to use. So I literally just pull that out of the pot and then put this all over my eyelid, up from here to up to about here. Watch how quickly I do this. And then once I finish doing that, I just take my finger and just dab over the edges just to sort of soften them out a little bit. Okay, and then whilst that dries down, what I will do is take this colour here, which is called Brown Suede, and it is just a darker brown. You can obviously use different eyeshadow palette for this, but I use a darker brown and blend that out, make it darker here. The only thing that is annoying is that sometimes when you do this part, it can take off the glitter that you've just put on, just because it's still slightly wet. But yeah, I just do this and blend it out. Okay guys, so that is my eye look done on this side, obviously, and I obviously haven't done like the underneath, but what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go and do this eye off of camera, and then I'll be back to do my skin. Okay, so as you can see, I have finished both eyes. This is honestly always what I do at the moment, whether it be in with the black one of that Beauty Bay glitter or the white one or this one, but usually this is the one that I will use, and this is my Go To Glam at the moment. So we're going to move straight on to skin, and what I have been using is the L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Foundation. This one is in the shade Golden Ivory. This one is too light. Say when I'm fake tanned, usually I fake tan every time I go out now, so this one is usually too light for my fake tan colour. I'd say it's slightly too dark without any fake tan, so yeah, I'm just going to put this on, and I use a beauty blender to blend this out. I just use the Real Technique sponge, which I actually need a new one, but obviously all the shops are closed at the moment, so I can't get one, but I'm not wearing makeup anyway at the moment. It's just a bit old now and I need a new one, so I just blend it out. You know how to do this obviously, but I just love this finish of this foundation. Been using this since my cousin's wedding in November. Not this exact colour and bottle. I really like the finish of this foundation. I think it is so nice, but it just makes my skin look one colour, one tone. I could not recommend this foundation enough. It is so good. So I hope everyone is doing okay during this lockdown. It's not a proper lockdown, which is annoying me because people are not taking it seriously. People are still like meeting up with friends who are not in their household and stuff like that, and it's just really annoying me. Like, I'm not seeing Jack for this whole time, which is killing me, but do you know what I mean? Like, you have to do it. Oh, I put way too much on my forehead. And then I'm just gonna blend it all out slightly more. Okay, so my base is done, and now I'm going to take the Laura Mercier concealer, I was about to say foundation, ultra long wear concealer. This is in the shade 1.5. I would probably go down a shade. It's lighter than my foundation, but it's not as light as I would like it to be. But I placed this order online and just had to take guesses at shades. It's quite a yellow toned concealer, as you can tell, but it is amazing. Yeah, my skin is not doing great right now. I really regret not looking after it this last week. And then again, I will take my beauty blender and I'll blend that out. I think this is my favourite part of makeup, I won't lie. The concealer just does it for me. And I will say now, I have got so much quicker at doing my makeup. The other weekend, like a few weekends ago now, it's in my vlog where I went to London for Beth's birthday. I literally did this makeup. I did that so quickly because I had to travel to London from where I live, which takes about an hour on the train from where I live directly to London, and then the tubes, which took about half an hour, 20 minutes maybe. Travelled there by myself and then had to get a bus as well quickly to Beth's, And then once I got there, like people, like some of her close friends were already ready, and I was like, oh my god, I need to hurry up and get ready. So I rushed, but it looked so nice. You probably would have seen that in that weekend to London vlog. If you haven't, check it out. But yeah, this is exactly the same makeup as I did that weekend. And then I do an extra bit of concealer. I use this 16-hour camo concealer. This is in shade medium peach. I do this because it's a lighter one than the Laura Mercier one, and I literally just do a tiny little bit just to brighten it up ever so slightly. Sometimes I mix this in with the Laura Mercier one, just depends. But yeah, I just do this to lighten it up a little bit, but I don't obviously do as much as the other concealer. Just brightens it up a little bit. It's quite nice. So I have finished with like the liquids on my face. Now I'm going to do powder. So now I'm going to go on to powder, and I've been using the Laura Mercier translucent powder. I will never, oh, I nearly dropped it. I will never ever ever go back from this. This powder is probably, well, it is the best one in my opinion. As you can see, all of these products are kind of like new compared to, say, the Get Ready With Me that I did for my cousin's wedding. So yeah, I'm gonna use this, and with that I am going to use this Zoeva brush. It doesn't say what number it is, but I am just going to put this under my eyes, on my chin, just the areas that I have put, oh my god, the areas that I have put that concealer, just to set it in place. Before I do that, I will literally take my beauty blender just to make sure there's no creasing or anything like that, and as soon as I have done that, I put the powder in that place. And then I have been using this Revolution Mega Bronzer, and it is in 01 Cool. Oh, and by the way, for this I just used the Real Techniques brush. This is the blusher brush. So yeah, and then I'll just put some on my jawline, because why not? Blend it down my neck as well. Makeup is the best thing in the world. I just look and feel so much better than I did at the beginning of this video. Just covers all my spots and the redness and everything. Oh, I love it so much, honestly. I just feel so much better. And then nothing has changed here. I will be using my Kiko, oh, it's rubbed off now. This Kiko highlighter. It is from the Ocean Feel collection, I think it is. I think there's a whole collection. Yeah, nothing has changed. I have been using this for quite some time now, I'd say, actually. And then I always put some on the end of my nose, down my nose, on my Cupid's bow, just because it ties it all in together. So we are coming close towards the end of the makeup. So we're going to go back to this eyeshadow palette, and we're going to do the underneath of my eyes. And I'm just going to take a mixture of these two. It's always what I do. And just put this under my eyes. And then as well, I am just going to take my finger, and I'm going to use this white shade here, which is called Nothing Else. And I always just put that in the inner corner of my eye, just to open it up ever so slightly and make it look a little bit nicer. As you can tell, it just looks better than this side. And again, excuse my scabby nails. And then my go-to mascara is this Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Lash Mascara. Usually I would as well wear eyelashes. They just transform the whole look to something else. Okay, and then that is my mascara done. As I said, it would look a bit more dramatic and a bit more night out glam if I have some eyelashes on. And for my lips, I am going to be taking this HNB Cosmetics lip gloss. This one is in the shade Doesn't say it. Doesn't say it on here, but it's a Holly Boone lip gloss. Oh, I love it. And that is my lip gloss done. So yeah, this is the finished look. When I go for a night out, this is honestly what I do. It's my go-to now. I love it. I am well into the routine of doing it, and I just don't think I'm gonna shy away from it anytime soon. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. I really enjoyed filming it. I haven't done my makeup in a long time, so this has made me feel really good and so much better about myself. So if you did enjoy this video, please hit the like button, subscribe down below, and I will see you in my next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you. Bye.